Today we're unboxing the brand new Schuberth C5 Helmet and the SC2 Communication System designed specifically for it. After that I'll show you how to install the SC2 system into the helmet step by step. Let's dive right in. Schuberth helmets are a favorite choice for touring bikers. Their latest models have the option to integrate a SC2 communication system, the SC2. The package comes with a remote control that can be installed on the side, while the main unit is placed on the back of the helmet. Furthermore, there is a USB cable to load the battery, two microphone caps, a microphone unit, and a spare battery for the remote control. Now it's time to remove the C5 modular helmet from the box. Like most helmets, the C5 comes with a nice protective bag that also can be used as a backpack to carry the helmet. And here is our brand new C5. Right out of the box, I can tell you the C5 feels incredibly lightweight. It has ventilation on the front and on the top. The remote is placed here on the side, while the main unit is placed here on the back. This is Schuberth's latest flagship modular helmet, known for its aerodynamics and quiet ride experience. It's got a pre-installed anti-fog visor and an integrated sun visor, which are fantastic features for any rider. Now let's get rid of the protective plastics and install the communication system to the helmet. First, remove the side plastic clip by sliding it backwards from the helmet. Use the plastic clip to open the one on the back of the helmet. There is a little gap you can stick it in and the clip will come off. The unit has two wires that have to be connected to the ones inside the helmet. To do so, remove the black protective covers on all four wires. Now click the wires to connect them. Place the wires back in their place and you are able to place the unit into the helmet. After removing the white transparent plastic clip, you can slide the remote controller in the helmet. And as a final step, you place the microphone in the socket on the front side. The system is now ready to use. Now you have a top-of-the-line helmet with a state-of-the-art communication system installed. You're ready for a ride with all the comfort, safety and connectivity you need. Thank you for watching this unboxing and installation guide. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Ride safe and I'll see you on the road.